Consider the following sentences. More birds than one is perched on a tree. More than one birds are perched on a tree. More than one blackbird are in a playful mood. More blackbirds than one is in a playful mood. Can you tell whether we have used the phrase more than one and accompanying noun and verb in all the sentences correctly? If not, what's the right way to use the phrase more than one? All the sentences are incorrect as there is no subject-verb agreement in any of them with regard to phrase more than one. To use the phrase correctly, you need to remember this. More than one is always followed by a singular noun. The phrase may appear to be plural, but collectively it is treated as a compound of one and therefore it takes a singular verb. So the correct sentences are: more than one bird is perched on a tree. More than one blackbird is in a playful mood. More than one pigeon is resting on a perch. However, if you want to use a plural noun, you need to break the phrase into two, more and then one. Insert a plural noun in between. The sentence construction will be more plus plural noun plus then one. In that case, the verb will always be plural. See the following sentences. More birds than one are perched on a tree. More blackbirds than one are in a playful mood. More crocodiles than one are visible on the river bank. So always keep in mind, more than one plus singular noun plus singular verb and rest of the sentence. More plus plural noun plus then one plus plural verb and rest of the sentence. If you can remember these two patterns, you will never make a mistake in sentences with phrase more than one. So friends, that's it in this lesson. But before I leave, I would like to thank wildlife photographer Amit Gildial for providing me his pictures to make this lesson. If you liked his pictures and want to see more of his work, kindly follow the link in the description below. I'll be back with you soon with some more grammar tips. Till then, keep learning and keep improving. Goodbye.